you so much for watching my videos. Now I am super excited because I had an opportunity to work on some Christmas gifts for, I worked on one for Naya, which I think came out super cute. I'm going to show you guys how I made that. I did one for my neighbor who is 13 years old. I thought she'd really like this and it's a super cute gift. I also worked on some smaller gifts for, one of them is for the gas lady's attendant at my gas station that I go to. She's super nice. I talk to her all the time, so I wanted to give her something for Christmas. I know she works the night shift because I go get gas super early in the morning. And then also one for my postal lady, the little pink one. So I thought that was really cute. I'm gonna show you guys how I made all these gifts. I'll let you guys know exactly how much they cost. Super inexpensive, really easy to make, and a lot of the items are either couponed from the 99-cent store or from Dollar Tree. So I'm super excited to share these gifts with you guys. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Coupons for Charity. Don't forget I am having an amazing Dollar Tree gift card giveaway. That giveaway is going on right now. If you have not entered, I will link that at the end of the video so you can click on that and enter to win. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode, a DIY, or a giveaway. I have an amazing coupon kit coming up. It's going to be the binder. I'm giving away a laptop, all kinds of fun stuff. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you never miss a giveaway or an episode. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this really simple DIY gift, I have coupon items and items from the Dollar Tree. So I do have this Make It Merry and Bright. I hauled this from my Dollar Tree haul. I have a Merry and Bright bath bomb that I actually purchased at Walgreens on clearance. I have this really nice April set from the Dollar Tree. I just cut it open, but it's the bath bomb bath caviar with the bath salts. No, wait. What are these things called? I always do that every time. It says bath caviar. You guys know what these things are. I cannot remember. Every time I film, I forget. I have some decorative shreds. I have a Coupons Aveeno Clear Complexion mask. I also have a Revlon lip balm, and I have the Wet n Wild set. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put this together. The thing I did was put my face mask in, and then I'm just going to add some shreds in there. I know I'm making a mess, but that is okay. My Stockpile room is a complete disaster. So I have my face mask in with my shreds, and then I'm going to add my large bath bomb, and then my little caviar thingy, and then my small bath bomb. I'm just hoping, there we go. And then I'm going to take this out of the package and I'm going to add it in there. Added it in there, took it out of the packaging, and then I'm going to go ahead and put I took these out of the packaging and I'm going to put one of the mascaras in there. And then I'm just going to put the lid like so. And I think this is a super inexpensive, really cheap gift you can give. I'm actually going to give this to the lady at the gas station because I see her probably once a week. We chit chat. She's super nice, and I wanted to give her something small and nice. And my postal lady, my postal worker, is a lady as well, so I'm going to make something very similar, kind of like the same method, and give that to her as well. So let me wrap this in cellophane and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so here is the final product. I think it came out really cute. I think that this lady is really going to like it. It's pretty much everything that any girl would like. Some bath bombs, a face mask, mascara, a little lip balm, and it's a super cute gift, and it probably cost me maybe $3 or $4 to make. Super excited about that. I'm still on the hunt for the other green mug. I have a green one just like this. I don't know what I did with it, but I'm gonna look for it. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on something else, and I'll show you guys in a second. Guys, so my next gift, I did find a little bucket. I'm finding buckets everywhere now that I'm looking. Still cannot find the mug, but I'm still on the hunt. I do have this mug, but I think I'm going to use that for a guy's gift. I do have this, which I may do like a spa in a jar type thing with my Dollar Tree little finds here. But this I actually got at Walgreens on clearance, the Whole Entire Merry and Bright set. You can still find them at Walgreens. You can pay full price though. This probably cost me less than $3 to make, and I added a Revlon lip balm that we were getting for free. The only thing I really paid for was $1 for and they came in a pack of 2, so 50 cents. This was probably about $3. I'm just gonna wrap it in cellophane, and I will give this so I got my mail lady done, no, my gas lady. So this will go to my mail lady or my postal worker. So let me wrap this and we'll continue. Okay guys, so this is what the finished product looked like. I think they came out really cute and they're super inexpensive to make. I just wish I could find that other cup. It's driving me crazy, but I will find it and then I'll do another one just like this. I have a cup like this but in green, and I wanted to do another one for possibly somebody at CVS because I like to give them gifts too. So I'm making a lot of little inexpensive gifts, but right now I'm going to start working on little Miss Naya's gifts. So for Naya, I do have quite a bit of stuff for her because I've just been collecting it throughout these last few months. So I did purchase a Hello Kitty TY, and this is from my 99-cent only store haul. I did give her a high definition digital camcorder, and this is from the 99-cent only. A lot of this stuff is from the 99-cent only or Dollar Tree. This DIY squishy is from the 99. These two squishies are from the Dollar Tree. Headband from the Dollar Tree. Little pom-poms from the Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with the reindeer headset. She loves wearing headbands, and that is from the Dollar Tree. These 3D stickers are from the 99-cent only store, and I also have the Disney Tsum Tsum set right here, which is from the 99-cent only store. So I already have my bucket here, and this is from the Dollar Tree. At the bottom is newspaper, at the top is some tissue and some shreds that I had extra of, and I'm just going to start placing my items. So this is what her gift looks like. I think it came out so cute. I think she's absolutely gonna love it. I did add the peppermint mocha little bath bombs I had in my stock. And if you guys were wondering, this gift cost exactly $21 to make, all the stuff from the 99 and from the Dollar Tree. I don't think that's a bad deal considering she's 9 years old, and I think she's going to love every single thing in this basket. Let me show you the back. Has the Tsum Tsum little set back here. So I think she's absolutely going to love it. I'm super excited to gift it to her. And yeah, guys, so all I got to do is shrink wrap this and we'll be good to go. So my final gift is for Jamie Grace. She is my neighbor and she is 13 years old and she's very girly, so she's really easy to shop for. So I did find these oh so cozy socks. Aren't these adorable? I took them out of the package because they just don't do it justice inside the package. Now these are $3.99 at the 99-cent only store. So I picked those up for her, and these are in a size large because her feet are still growing. She's still 13. So I took those out of the package. Now I have the Spa Bella Gel Eye Mask. That 3-pack of makeup removers that I am obsessed with. And I know she does wear, her mom does allow her to wear mascara. So I know this will be perfect for her, and it works really, really well. Of course, a couponed Wet n Wild mascara set, so she has a little variety. I also have the Spa Twirly Towel from the 99-cent only store, which was 99 cents. And then some face masks, a Fantasy Egg Hydrating Face Mask. I have a Hair Clay Mask. And then I have this Soothing Egg Yolk and Shea Butter Facial Mask. I also have some eye makeup remover for her for the mascara. I figured she can use that. And these My Style earbuds in the unicorn that I picked up at... where did I get these? At CVS at 90% off. So I also have this Farm Fresh Christmas trees bucket that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to place my items and make them look pretty, and this will be my last gift for the night. So let me go ahead and do that. Hey guys, so this is what the final result looks like. I think it came out really nice. I am going to shrink wrap this, of course. I'll show you guys what they'll look like after they are shrink wrapped. I did go ahead and add a Minnie Mouse little like lip gloss thing here. I thought it was really cute, so I added that. And then in the back we have our slippers, and then we have the face mask back here, and then the eye makeup remover. Now I think she's really going to like this. I hope she does. And yeah, let me go ahead and shrink wrap it, and I'll show you guys what the finished products look like. Guys, so I did shrink wrap the gifts. I think they came out cute. I would have loved to keep Naya's out of the shrink wrap because I think it looks a little bit better out of the shrink wrap, but she will play with it before Christmas, so I definitely had to shrink wrap it. Either way, I still think it came out really cute. And then I shrink wrapped my neighbor's, which is Jamie's. I love the way it came out. I actually had some extra bow, so I went ahead and used that ribbon instead of using the shrink wrap pull-in bow from Dollar Tree. Now the ribbon does come in the bag if you guys are looking for them. They're called the shrink wrap pull-in bow from Dollar Tree. But all in all, guys, I think These gifts are really cute. Of course, I will be working on more as we get closer to the holidays, so you guys can see how I utilize my coupon stockpile, Dollar Tree items, and coupon items to make gifts for people. And I do this throughout the year, not just for Christmas. I do it for birthdays, I do it for anniversaries, baby showers, all kinds of different things, even my speaking engagements. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. And remember, if you like these videos, please remember to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Don't forget to check out that Dollar Tree haul and gift card giveaway with bonus prizes. Like I said, I'll link that at the end of the video, and I'll link my Instagram in the description box just in case you aren't following me there too. I'm due to do an awesome giveaway on there as well. Now you guys have a blessed evening, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!